Okay, here we go again. Got my flashlight this time so I can read these tiny words. We got very tiny words on here. So this is the panel. And a power button. Power LED. Hard drive LED. It doesn't tell me what's what here. So small words. Some crazy wires going on here. It's going to get very weird, very fast. This boy is a 550 watt. Let's check what we got. Separate what we need and what we don't need. So we're gonna need this for sure. Okay, get that in. That's the big main power connector. I'll set this thing up right. I'm gonna end up pulling a lot of stuff through this side of the case to keep it tidy. So I'm gonna pull that through for now, just to get it out of my way for one thing. So what do I have that needs power? Let's figure out what we got coming on here. This is what we get with the non-modular power supply. I think most of these are gonna end up getting wadded up and shoved back in. So this goes, I believe this goes right there. ATX 12 volt. Got her. I believe I'm gonna need one of these SATA connectors. Okay, we got ourselves a spaghetti situation. Alright, well it just says connect any 6/8 pin power connector. Well, we have that. So let's connect it then, I suppose. This is the point where I kind of wish it was a modular power supply. Here's my CPU fan. Here's my other fan. Header. Get on in there. I'm gonna tip this back over just to get something so you can see it. Okay, that's on. This is going to end up living up here. So we get that out of the way. It's a 12 volt ATX power connector. Just try to position things where it makes the most sense. And out of the way of like airflow and graphics card and such. top panel of the case. The fan. Look at which way this mounts. This is the front of the case. So I want to make sure the fan goes here. And I want the I want the fan on the back spot. And I want my fan cable to come out on this side so I can hide it. So the fan goes like this. Alright, so we want the grill to go in so that it blows air into the case. It looks like this top panel has threaded holes in it. And I'm gonna assume that these long screws thread into those holes, and they sure do. So I'm gonna use these to mount this fan. And it's just that simple. Make sure she still spins, nothing's bound up. You can stick that on top of the case when I'm ready.